It's helpful to have a record not only of individual contacts, but a history of every time you've contacted a person at an organization. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to do just that. Step 1. Create an organization profile. An organization can interact with the nation in the same way a person can. This means an organization can take action on your website, including making donations and paying invoices. In the People section, click on Add New Organization to create a new organization profile. You'll be taken to the New Organization screen. An organization profile includes most fields included in a person profile. These fields cannot be connected to an organization: employer, occupation, demo, marital status, gender, place of worship, and deceased. Note: the physical address will be stored as a work address, the phone number will be stored as a work number, and the founding date is the birth date of the organization. For our purposes, the organization needs an email address attached to it. Don't use the main contact's email address. Use something like info@organization.com. Even though we don't let you email those email addresses, it will help keep the general profile separate from any people linked to it. Enter this email address in the email box. Click Add Organization. Step 2. Connect a person with an organization. Now we can connect people's profiles to an organization. To do this, go to People, click on the person's profile, and navigate to Relationships. Under New Relationship, select the person's relationship to this organization from the drop-down menu. For example, manager of, alum of, etc. Select the name of the organization from the drop-down menu. Input the person's title at the organization. This is optional. Click Save Relationship. This person will now be linked to this organization. Step 3. Logging contact to the organization. It is helpful to have a record not only of individual contacts, but to see a history of every time you've contacted someone at an organization. When you log contact on a person's profile, the contact can also be logged on their organization's profile. Click on People, select the person, click Log Contact. Notes. Usually you'll want to include a summary of the interaction as a note. Notes should be as detailed as possible to ensure everyone has access to the same information regarding the person's interaction with your nation. Contact method. This is how a person was contacted. Contact status. This is the result of the contact. This is optional. Organization. This is where you link the contact to the person's organization. All of the other menus you see are optional. Click the person's name was contacted button. This will record the contact on this person's profile as well as on their organization's profile. From this point forward, you'll have extensive communication records for organizations in your nation. Interactions between people and organizations build and sustain community, and by logging all contact in your nation, transparency is enhanced and a historical record is built.